What's up, everyone? Adam Grayford here. I'm just going to give you guys a little tour of my room on the Norwegian Pearl. This is room 10650, and I'm just going to show you guys around a little bit. Alrighty, so this is the door here as you come in the room. A couple shelves there, and your safe. And then here we got closets, life jacket, plenty of hangers to hang clothes. Over here we got the little coffee maker, little fridge with the mini bar. Comes pretty loaded there. Couple sparkling waters. Extra little drawers there. Move on to the bathroom. The bathroom is really nice. I'm trying to see if I can get a good view here. Okay, so I'm standing in the shower right now. This is the toilet here, which actually is a little light. And it actually has a little door here that closes, which is kind of nice. And sink area, nice big swivel sink. Good water pressure. A lot of cruises I've been on, the sinks don't have quite that great of water pressure, but this one definitely does. Let's see, and then the shower here, let me back up some. This is the shower. Good size shower for a cruise ship cabin. And then of course she has a little door there that closes, which is nice. And here's a little more inside here. Alrighty, now we're gonna move on to the main room. Back up here so you guys get a full view. This is as you're walking in the door. Got the bed, which is 2 twin-size beds put together. There's a full-length mirror here. And over here we have a trash can down there, hair dryer, and your outlet. And then you got another mirror here. And now we're going to move over. We have a little couch which actually pulls out into a bed. And then your TV. A little shelf here. And then this little shelf comes with a little mini bar menu and stuff like that. And then out here is the balcony. So sea day 2 on my 4-day cruise. Another little thing that I want to point out that's pretty cool is underneath these lights by the bed, it's actually little hard to see, a little USB plug-in ports there. Each side has one, which is kind of nice if you're charging your phone or something at night. And there's also over here on the shelf another little USB plug with 2 outlets there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks guys for watching, and I got a couple more little cruise videos coming from this same cruise, so I'll keep you guys posted. We'll see you next time.